What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first video in 2022. So I would like to say Happy New Year for everyone watching this video. I hope you had a great time with your family and friends during holiday season. And also some of you may or may not notice that it's been a while since my last video. Simply because the end of the year and holiday season is always the busiest time at work. So I apologize for that, but it's a new year, new me, and my New Year's resolution is actually to be more focused and committed to this channel. So let's get started. So today's video is a response for a few comments that I received regarding this one, saying that I skipped the part when I start drawing the hair because I assumed drawing the hair is very straightforward and I forgot that video was meant for a beginner. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the hair using Procreate. But before we get into it, actually, the only way to show some support is by liking this video and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so today's video I'm gonna show you how to draw hair for beginners starting from scratch, and we're gonna draw like this, a very generic short hair for girls. But also in the end of the tutorial I'm gonna share to you where you can find inspirations, where you can level up your hair drawing skills. So first thing first, I'm gonna show you how I usually draw hair. So I'm gonna make a new temporary layer here, and I'm gonna use two different colors for you to easy understanding. And number one is blue for the sketch, and then number two is gonna be red. It's for the block hair, and then number three is the normal color, which is dark gray or black. So first I usually draw the lines indicating the flow of the hair, and then I'm gonna make new layers for tutorial purposes, and using the red one to draw a block following the first line. So the blue one is the flow, and then the red is the body of the hair, and then I'm gonna reduce the opacity for both, and after that you start drawing the hair following the construction line that you made, like this, and add some hair strands inside. And then just add some more details and some cleaning up. And now you hide the construction line, and this is pretty much how I draw the hair. So remember the step. The first is the flow of the hair, the block, and then the details of the hair. And having said that, let's delete all these temporary layers and start drawing the real hair for this model here. And also, before I forgot, I need to mention the brush that I use is the PROCREATE pencil. You can always find it under the sketching, and because it's pre loaded, so it's always there. But some people said they cannot find it, which I don't understand, because it's like I said, it's pre-loaded from Procreate. So where's the there you go. So new layer, and then rename it. And then I'll start mapping out the hair by drawing the imaginary hairline like this, and start pulling the lines. And I add a little bit of, I add a little arrow to just give you the sense of direction of the hair flow. And then again, a new layer, change to the red one, and then turn down the opacity and start drawing, mapping out the hair block. By following the blue lines. And then now you got the red and blue lines. You add new layers and then start drawing the hair. In this part, all you need to do is just following the red block one, and then add some details inside of the blocks, like a hair strands. Drawing this needs some passion, so just take your time and make it as tidy as possible, but don't worry about it so much because you can cleaning up in the end. For now, we just need to focus to draw the main body of the hair itself. So let's go on ahead and do it. And then after you think that you already got the shape of the hair, you can hide the construction lines, and then now all you need to do is just go to the line art layers and then erase the head where is under the hair, and yeah, just do some cleanup and erase every line that is under the hair, like this one. And now after you're done, it's time to add some details by adding some thickness and some cleaning up to erase the lines that you don't need, to make it more appealing. So now we're gonna go ahead and do that. And after that, we add some thickness here and there, mostly in the part where the hair is overlapping and outline of the hair itself. And this is just my personal style. I usually go to the line art and then erase a little bit of the eyebrow that is inside the hair area, just to make it look like a translucent, or like a transparent. This is just my style. You can follow it or you can just ignore it. And there you go. Now you have the anime hairstyle. And I think it is a lot of steps because this video is intentionally for a beginner, but the more you do it, the more you draw your hair, your character hair, the less you need those construction lines. So just keep doing it, keep drawing. And also you can use a lot of references from internet or from your favorite anime or even from YouTube, and also from literally from anywhere. And also, this is my favorite, you can use your own photo as a reference, like my own selfie here. Pardon the selfie, but you can follow the hairline of your own hair. And so it is really, the sky is the limit here. There is no limitation of how you draw hair, because in the sense of anime, there's no such thing as ridiculous hair shape, because I agree that you can draw hair like this or that or even this. So keep practicing, keep creating, and that's it for today. Remember, this is the step. So first is having a model or a character, and then add some lines for the flow of the hair, and then add some block hair to know the shape of the hair, and then the third and the last step is to add details and strands. And here's some 3 different hairstyles that I create using the same model, and the steps is exactly the same. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something from today's video, and I would like to remind you that I do listen to your feedback and comments, so please do not hesitate to leave comment down below, and then again, to show some support, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So I guess that's it for me today, and I hope you have a great New Year's, and I hope you will achieve your New Year's resolutions, and stay healthy out there, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.